Today's episode, we're out on Wasatch Wing and Clay, and we're going to do some pheasant hunting. Come along, let's see what we get. Come towards me a bit. Easy, Daisy. She's on something. Good job, guys. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good. Come on, Gunner. Bring it here. Gunner, here. Hey. Good boy. Release. Here. This way. Good girl. Work that. Hey, here. Okay, we're not gonna go that far. Okay, we'll pick it up on the way back. Gunner, come. Okay, good girl. We'll come on the way back. Okay, come on. Because that's the road that he came down on, so. Nice shot. Not a rooster? Hen. Bring it here. Yeah. Bring it here. Good boy, Gunner. Good boy. Boy, Gunner. Good boy. Bring it here. Here. Good girl or good boy. Gunner, good boy. Here. All the way. Okay, leave it. Release. Good job, guys. Got Daisy. Easy. She's getting birdie. Mike. I'm moving over. Okay. Well, now she's going your way. What do you got? What do you got? Find that bird. Yeah, she's on something. Easy. Get ready, Dad. Be ready. Easy. Good girl. Where are they? Where are they at? I don't think they're in that little bush. Hopefully I put the camera back the way it was. It fell off my head. What do you got? Oh, you're something. Watch him too. What do you got? What are you seeing? What do you feed? What do you got? Use your nose. Good girl. Use your nose. Good girl. I mean, it could be hunkered down right here. Keep going. Find a bird. What do you got? It's not here. What you got? What you got? There could have been something here. Okay, Daisy. What do you got? Good girl. Be careful. Just let's go. Hunt them up. Good girl. Good girl. Easy, Daisy. Yeah, she's on something. What you got? What'd you get? Easy. She's birdie again.
Yeah, right around that bush.
Be ready, Dad.
Oh, yeah. Find a bird, Gunner. Find a bird.
Easy. Daisy. Right here. Rooster. Get it. It's running on the ground. It's yours, Dad. Whoa. Oh. No bird. Daisy. Yep. No bird. It'll be theirs. It's still going. Here. Good. No worries.
I was talking to the dogs. Oh.
Well, and the way it had flown,
you're shooting at tail feathers.
Well, It didn't really curve until too far out, so I didn't have a shot. Hey, you want some water? Hey. I know. I know. No? Okay.
You don't want me in the middle?
Well, we'll give you one more.
Okay.
Well,
No bird.
no bird.
Bird.
No bird.
Here.
Gunner.
Here.
Gunner. Daisy.
Here. He's just sitting in the bush here.
Well, I was like, did it not fire right away? Or were you still scared? Gunner, come. She's on something. Give it. Easy. 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 Right here. Where is it? Get it. No bird. That was the hunt.
That was a hat.
Okay, pretty good hunt. We kicked up some birds. We were able to get 2 of them. Daisy and Gunner did a great job finding them. We just needed to do a better job shooting. Take it easy.